Are you ready to get super clear in your music and make amazing progress? Get started today by ordering your daily music practice planner. It has everything you need to get started in your musical journey. Hello and welcome. I'm Monta Monique, founder and creator of Moveovermozart. Now, I have been a music teacher, a highly qualified music teacher for more than 20 years, teaching in both the private and public sector. And I'm going to share with you all of the practice strategies that I've shared with the thousands of students who have passed through my doors. Discover how to connect all of the areas in your music. Together, we'll uncover the exact practice strategies that you can implement in your daily practice to see immediate results. Together, we'll explore why it's so important to develop a highly focused approach to target and problem solve those tough practice areas. Get started today with my free ebook. Click the link down below. Learn how to create your best daily music practice plan by setting up your piece for success, my tried and true method to help you plan and organize every single day of your music practice. And you will see how you can achieve your daily practice music goals and experience amazing results and consistency in your daily music practice. So if you're ready, let's start making music happen.